Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities available for mechanical engineer. The name of the company is Hero Motor. So this is a core company for mechanical engineer, and don't miss this opportunity. So I will be providing the link in the description. If you click that link, it will be directing to the official page of the company. If not, also you can type Hero Motor Corp careers in Google, so you'll be getting various results. So if you scroll down, you have to click view all jobs. See here, there will be an option called view all jobs. Click that. So if you click that, it will be directing to the official website of Hero Motors. So when you scroll down, it will be asking like search by keyword or search by location. So you have to search. So you have to, if you search India, means you will be getting various job opportunities which they posted in India. So see how many results are there. So there are many results in various location. So whichever is relevant to you, you can apply for the job. Now we are going to see job post for engineer body components job. So they have posted on 24th September. You can click on the icon engineer body components job. So when you click, you will be directing to this page. You can, if you are willing, means you can directly apply now. Now let us see what are the requirements which they expect from us. So mainly the job location is in Jaipur. So those who are living nearby Jaipur can apply for this job. And mainly what they will be expecting is you have to ensure the timely development and fitment trial of various components, and like fuel tank, evaporating system and metal body components, and effective utilization of available resources in order to meet the organization goal. So that's what they are expecting from you. Other key responsibilities like prioritizing the work content for delivery on time, and providing the optimized solution, guiding the team at design level, and providing innovation, creativity ideas for long term, and making the customers' requirement into fulfillment. And what are the other skills like you should be analytically and innovatively strong, and mentoring, project management, decision making, etc. So education is any relevant. If you are finished in BE BTech in mechanical, means you can apply for this job, and mainly it is a engineering based job. So if you are willing, means just click on the icon apply now. So if you click on the icon, you will be applying for this job. Then if you come back, means you will be seeing various jobs. In that you have to choose engineer proto management job. So when you go in, you can see icon in the right hand side for applying for it. So before that, let us see what are the expectations from them. The location will be same, it's Jaipur, and what they expect is you have to handle an inspection of the work for various types of engine, vehicle parts and assemblies, and you have to scan the profile of plastic parts and evaluation. Other key responsibilities like handling the instruments like ferro arm, 3D scanner, etc., to take care of the calibration related activities in a standard manner. So other job segments like CAD, drafting, engineering, it will be coming under these sectors. So if you are willing, means then you can apply on the icon apply now. So regarding the experience, they haven't said anything. So even freshers can apply for this job. So in case if they are asking for experienced candidate, means they themselves will contact you. And once you click on apply now, you will be directing to this page. If you already have an account, means then directly type your mail ID and password. If not, means you have to click on this for creating a new account. There you need to give all your basic details like you are choosing the password, your first name, last name, country, etc. So after giving all the details, you have to tick the box and you have to click on the icon create an account. So once the account is created, means then you will be applied for this job, and they will be communicating everything through mail and intimating whether online or offline interview, and further process will be intimated from the company. If you feel it's useful, means kindly share with the mechanical students, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the job related opportunities prevailing around us, and we will be bringing everything to your doorstep. So stay tuned with our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.